Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel GK Update with उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 3rd एंड 4th अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 25 इंपॉर्टेंट करेंट अफेयर MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में प्रीवियस डे के करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं, जिनके आंसर्स आपको कमेंट करके बताने होते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Who has become the first woman to be appointed as Director General of the Railway Protection Force (RPF) in its 143-year history? And the answer is Sonali Mishra. Second question. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Manappuram Finance? And the answer is Deepak Reddy. Third question. For which film did Shah Rukh Khan won his first National Film Award for Best Actor at the 71st National Film Awards? And the answer is Jawan. Fourth question. Which bank will New India Cooperative Bank will amalgamated with following RBI's approval effective August 4, 2025? And the answer is Saraswat Cooperative Bank. Fifth question. What new feature has India Post Payment Bank started rolling out nationwide for digital banking transactions? And the answer is Aadhaar-based face authentication. Sixth question. What was the record high number of UPI transaction in July 2025 as per NPCI data? And the answer is 19.47 billion. Seventh question. In which Indian city did VinFast open its second showroom after Surat? And the answer is Chennai. Eighth question. What was the GST collection amount in July 2025, showing a 7.5% increase from July last year? And the answer is rupees 1.96 lakh crore. Ninth question. What is the latest GDP growth projection for India in 2025-26 according to Fitch Ratings? And the answer is 6.3%. 10th question. Which country will host the 8th edition of the Commonwealth Youth Games in 2027? And the answer is Malta. 11th question. Which company did the Indian Army sign a rupees 223.95 crore contract with for 212 new generation 50-ton tank transporter trailers? And the answer is Axis Gates Aerospace and Technologies Private Limited. 12th question. Who is the author of the book The Believer's Dilemma, AP Bajpai and the Ascent of the Hindu Rights? And the answer is Abhishek Chaudhary. 13th question. Which actress has won the Best Actress Award at the 71st National Film Awards? And the answer is Rani Mukherjee. 14th question. Who has been appointed as the new head coach of the Indian men's football team? And the answer is Khalid Zamil. 15th question. The Annadata Sukhi Bhav will be launched in which state? And the answer is Andhra Pradesh. 16th question. Under which project has INS Himgiri recently been delivered to the Indian Navy? And the answer is Project 17A. 17th question. Where is the Devdigar Wildlife Sanctuary located that was in the news? And the answer is Odisha. 18th question, which has become UP's first private managed railway station? And the answer is Gomti Nagar Railway Station, Lucknow. 19th question, who has won the first Chess Esports World Cup? And the answer is Magnus Carlsen. 20th question, which is the first EU nation to ban all weapons trade with Israel? And the answer is Slovenia. 21st question, who was honored with the 43rd Lokmanya Tilak National Award on 1st August 2025? And the answer is Nitin Gadkari. 22nd question, which of the following has rescued more than 7,600 children under Operation Muskaan XL? And the answer is Telangana Police. 23rd question, who unveiled the official mascot for the Asia Rugby Under-20 Sevens Championship? And the answer is Nitish Kumar. 24th question, Nyay Bandhu is an initiative of which government department? And the answer is Department of Justice. And the last 25th question, on which of the following days is Indian Organ Donation Day celebrated? And the correct answer is 3rd of August. तो ये थे 3rd and 4th अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 25 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज के क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे का पहला क्वेश्चन, विच पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक कलेक्टेड द हाईएस्ट पेनाल्टी फॉर लो बैंक बैलेंस between financial year 21 and financial year 25? Second question, Tata Motors recently signed an agreement to acquire which European commercial vehicle company for rupees 38,000 crore? Third question, who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Myanmar? Fourth question, where has the second UN Food System Summit Stocktake UNFSS4 being organized? And the last fifth question, where was the world's smallest known snake, thread snake, rediscovered after 20 years? तो इन पांचों क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना है।